dear viewers, welcome to Hammad Travels and Tourism. Ever wondered what it's like to experience the world from a different perspective? To feel the thrill of the unfamiliar, the excitement of the unknown? Imagine stepping off a plane into a world entirely different from your own. The air smells different, the people speak in an exotic tongue, and the landscape unfolds like a beautiful foreign tapestry. That, my friends, is the thrill of travel. Picture yourself winding through bustling markets, tasting the spicy tang of street food, or standing at the edge of a canyon, gazing out at a sunset that paints the sky with a palette of colors you've never seen before. That's the beauty of exploring new places. It's a sensory feast, a banquet of sights, sounds, smells, and flavors that are as unique and varied as the destinations themselves. Now imagine being able to experience that thrill, that beauty, time and time again. To journey to the farthest corners of the globe, to places you've only dreamed of, and to do it with the confidence and peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in capable hands. That's what we offer at Hammad Travel and Tourism. We're not just a travel company, we're a group of passionate explorers dedicated to helping you discover the world in all its glorious diversity. We believe that travel is more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures, experiencing new things, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's the wilds of Africa, the ancient cities of Europe, the vibrant markets of Asia, or the sun-soaked beaches of the Caribbean, we're here to help you explore it all. We're here to show you the world through a different lens, to spark that sense of wonder and curiosity that drives all great explorers. So buckle up, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. Because travel isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey, the thrill of the journey. Let Hammad Travel and Tourism be your guide in this journey of discovery. What makes Hammad stand out in the crowded travel and tourism industry, you might ask? Well, it's their unwavering commitment to crafting experiences that are nothing short of exceptional. Hammad Travel and Tourism is not your ordinary travel agency. They are pioneers, trailblazers in the industry, dedicated to transforming the way you perceive travel. Their ethos is rooted in a deep-seated dedication to customer satisfaction. It's not about the destination, but rather the journey and the memories you create along the way. The cornerstone of Hammad's services is their wide range of travel packages. There's something for every kind of traveler. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking the thrill of a safari in the African savannah, a history buff wanting to explore the ancient ruins of Rome, or a beach lover dreaming of the pristine sands of the Maldives, Hammad has you covered. But what truly sets Hammad apart is their commitment to providing unique experiences. They don't just offer trips, they offer adventures. They understand that travel is personal, and so they go above and beyond to ensure that each journey is tailored to the individual's interests and preferences. With Hammad, it's not just about seeing the world, it's about immersing yourself in it. It's about tasting exotic cuisines, meeting locals, learning about different cultures, and pushing your boundaries. It's about making every moment count. Hammad is not just a travel agency, it's a community of passionate explorers, curious wanderers, and daring adventurers. It's a community that believes in the transformative power of travel and the magic that lies in the unknown. The world is a book, and those who do not travel only read a page. Hammad is here to help you turn the pages, to guide you as you write your own travel story. With them, you're not just a tourist, you're an explorer. Every trip is an opportunity to discover, to learn, to grow. With Hammad, you're not just a tourist, you're an explorer. Scene script. Imagine having the world at your fingertips. With Hammad Travel and Tourism, this is not just a dream, but a reality. We offer you a passport to the world's most coveted destinations, from the serene beaches of the Maldives to the bustling streets of New York City. Every corner of the globe is within reach, promising a myriad of experiences and adventures. The Maldives, a tropical paradise in the heart of the Indian Ocean, is a haven of crystal-clear waters and pristine, white sand beaches. The gentle lull of the waves, the vibrant marine life, and the breathtaking sunsets make it a perfect escape from the daily grind. With Hammad, you can bask in the simplicity of island life and immerse yourself in the tranquil beauty of this idyllic destination. For those with a taste for the fast-paced and the vibrant, New York City awaits. Known as the city that never sleeps, it pulses with energy and life at all hours. From the iconic Times Square to the majestic Statue of Liberty, the city is a melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and experiences. As you walk down the city streets with Hammad, you'll feel the rhythm of the Big Apple and be a part of its dynamic tapestry. But that's not all. Al Hammad extends its reach far beyond, to the picturesque landscapes of Switzerland, the historic ruins of Rome, the exotic wildlife of Africa, and the serene temples of Japan. Each destination is a new chapter, a new story, waiting to be lived and shared. We believe in turning journeys into lasting memories. We believe in creating experiences that go beyond the ordinary. We believe in crafting adventures that cater to your unique tastes and preferences. With Al Hammad, the world isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to cherish, and to hold close to your heart. From the tranquil to the vibrant, the familiar to the exotic, Al Hammad offers a world of possibilities. So pack your bags and let your sense of adventure guide you. With Al Hammad, the world is yours to explore. At Al Hammad, we believe that your journey should be as unique as you are. That is why we go beyond the usual trip planning. We don't just offer packages, we offer experiences. Experiences that are meticulously tailored to suit your unique needs and preferences. Imagine having a travel plan that aligns perfectly with your bucket list. That's what we offer at Al Hammad. We take into consideration your interests, your preferences, and even your quirks. Whether you're an adventure junkie seeking thrills in the African safari, or a history buff longing to explore the ancient ruins of Egypt, we've got you covered. We understand that everyone has their own rhythm when it comes to travel. Some like to jam-pack their itinerary, ensuring they see and do as much as possible. Others prefer a more leisurely pace, taking time to soak in the ambiance of each place. At Al Hammad, we respect this. Our team of travel experts work with you to craft an itinerary that matches your pace. Food, we know, is a significant part of the travel experience. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or have specific dietary needs, we ensure that your gastronomical preferences are not just met, but surpassed. But our customization goes beyond just crafting the perfect itinerary. We take care of the little things, the details that make a trip truly special. If you're celebrating an anniversary, we'll make sure you have that romantic dinner under the stars. If it's a family trip, we'll arrange fun activities that will keep your kids engaged and entertained. We also understand that flexibility is key when it comes to travel. That's why our packages come with the option of modification. If your plans change, we're here to adapt your itinerary accordingly. At Al Hammad, we're not just about travel, we're about creating unforgettable experiences. We believe in not just meeting but exceeding your expectations. Your journey, your way, that's the Al Hammad promise. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from those who have embarked on their own adventures with Al Hammad Travel and Tourism. Jasmine, a first-time traveler from New York, shares, "I was nervous about my first international trip, but Al Hammad made it easy. I was able to sit back, relax, and take in the breathtaking beauty of Africa's landscapes. Their service was top-notch, and they made sure I was comfortable every step of the way." And it's not just first-time travelers who are impressed. Seasoned globetrotter Robert from Seattle admits, "I've traveled far and wide, but the service I experienced with Al Hammad was unparalleled. They took care of everything, from flights to accommodations, allowing me to focus on the beauty and wonder of my destination. I saw Africa in a whole new light, thanks to Al Hammad." For families, Al Hammad has proven to be a reliable partner. Lisa, a mother of two from Boston, praises, "Traveling with kids can be stressful, but Al Hammad took the stress away. They organized kid-friendly activities and made sure we had everything we needed. My children got to see lions up close in a safe environment. It was an unforgettable experience." Business travelers also find value in Al Hammad's services. James, a businessman from Chicago, says, "My work involves a lot of travel. The efficiency and professionalism of Al Hammad's team made my business trip to Africa smooth and hassle-free. I was able to balance work and leisure seamlessly." These are just a few voices from the chorus of satisfied customers who have chosen Al Hammad for their travel and tourism needs. Each of these stories highlights the commitment Al Hammad has to delivering a unique and memorable travel experience. So what are you waiting for? Join the Al Hammad family and start your own journey of discovery. Scene script. Ready to start your journey? The first step towards embarking on your dream adventure with Al Hammad Travel and Tourism is as simple as reaching out to us. With a team of dedicated travel consultants, we are always eager to help you plan your next journey. Be it an email, a phone call, or a visit to our office, we're available through multiple channels. Once you've made up your mind to travel with us, our consultants will guide you through the booking process. You'll be asked about your travel preferences, the destinations you're interested in, and the type of experiences you're seeking. This isn't just about booking tickets and hotels, it's about understanding your vision for the journey and tailoring an experience that fits your desires like a glove. After your preferences have been noted, Our team gets to work, crafting a detailed itinerary for your approval. This is a collaborative process, and we encourage your input at every stage. If there's something you'd like to change, add, or remove, feel free to tell us. This is your journey, and we're here to make it as perfect as possible. Once the itinerary is finalized, we take care of all the logistics. Flights, accommodations, transfers, sightseeing, we handle it all. Our goal is to provide you a seamless travel experience, free of any hassles or stress. And that's not the end of our role. Even as you set off on your journey, we remain a constant support system. Our 24/7 customer service is always ready to assist you, no matter where you are in the world. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Al Hammad Travel and Tourism today. Give us the opportunity to turn your travel dreams into reality. Whether it's the wild savannas of Africa, the romantic canals of Venice, or the bustling streets of New York, your dream destination is waiting for you. Your journey of a lifetime is just a click away. The journey doesn't end when you return home. Remember those words, because at Al Hammad Travel and Tourism, we live by them. Our commitment to you extends far beyond the duration of your travels. We understand that the essence of a journey lingers. It's the memories that you cherish and the experiences that transform you. That's why we keep in touch, ensuring that your voyage with us has been nothing short of extraordinary. We value your feedback because it helps us refine and improve our services, making your future expeditions even more remarkable. And for our treasured return customers, we have special offers to show our appreciation. Whether it's an exclusive discount on your next adventure or a complimentary upgrade, we believe in rewarding loyalty. So yes, you may be back home, but in our books, your journey's far from over. With Al Hammad, the journey continues long after you've returned home. So, where will your journey take you? As we draw the curtains on this virtual tour, let's take a moment to recap the exciting possibilities that await you with Al Hammad Travel and Tourism. We've traversed the thrilling landscapes of the journey, experienced the unique Al Hammad touch, and seen how the world is truly at your fingertips. We've explored how each travel itinerary is tailored to your unique needs, heard from satisfied travelers, and discovered that your journey can start right here, right now. And remember, this journey never really ends. It only evolves, offering new experiences and discoveries along the way. At Al Hammad, we believe in the transformative power of travel. We understand that each journey is a personal story, an adventure waiting to unfold, a dream waiting to be realized. That's why we're committed to making your travel dreams come true, one destination at a time. Imagine standing on the edge of the vast African savanna, feeling the raw power of nature as you witness a lion in pursuit of its prey. Picture yourself wandering through the vibrant markets of Marrakesh, your senses alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of this ancient city. Or envision relaxing on a sun-drenched beach in Zanzibar, the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean stretching out before you. These are not mere fantasies. They are real experiences, waiting for you to live them. And Al Hammad is here to guide you every step of the way. So consider this not just a farewell, but an open invitation. An invitation to embark on an unforgettable journey, to create memories that will last a lifetime, to discover the world and in the process, discover yourself. We've shown you the possibilities, now it's your turn to seize them. At Al Hammad, we're ready to help you explore the world. Are you ready to start your journey?